So I thought I would just share like a wonderful way to show your students different ways to make lines. Um, I know when students are drawing different pictures, they do need to know how to draw different lines. So I start this activity with my kindergartners and my first graders. The form simply has the words on the left side, and then they usually just draw whatever the word is saying on the right side. So, just to name all of the different types of lines that they usually learn is dots, circle and chain, zigzag, dashes, clouds, hills, loops, waves, mouse ears, lightning, swirl, and castle. So I'm just going to show you like a quick three-step process on how to kind of teach your younger kids, your kindergarten, first grade, and second graders, how to make different lines and kind of do it as a class. Um, Usually, I do have them start out with just repeating after me the lines that I'm going to show them how to use as a technique called callback. It is important to show the younger kids how to hold a pencil. I've seen all different ways. Some are like this. And then I just recorrect them on how you hold the pencil. And I explain to them that you will have more control over your lines if you are holding your pencil in the correct manner. Just a little tip. So the formula I like to use is 1, 2, 3, thumbs up. So the students will just show me a thumbs up after they draw that line. So for instance, dots, they would draw it and then just give me a small thumbs up when they're finished. That also keeps students from yelling out they're finished or done, and then you're hearing 25 kids yelling they're done. So this is a much better way of, it's kind of a little classroom management technique. I am going to have this video transfer into a video just showing you how to draw each one of these lines. Some of the lines are a little tricky for the younger students. It gets a little bit harder when you get to mouse ears, castle, but the ones that are really popular is they love to do zigzag and swirl. I always compare zigzag to kind of a lightning symbol or even the flash. If you can relate some of the lines to things they see in the everyday world, or even like anime characters they like or cartoon characters they like, it kind of makes the lesson come alive. And so you could give that a try. I have a lot of fun with this form. I also like to give it back to students and see what they kind of remember without any help at all. So like 2 weeks later, I give them the form and then I see who has completed all of these lines. And of course, there's rewards for that if they know each one of these lines and they have filled out the form. They love little art challenges like that. So if you can implement that in the classroom as well, just challenges. I think students in general, they do love challenges and kind of adding a little competition to it. I hope you find the another video on classroom management techniques. Definitely check out that form, give it out to your students. It's a fun little side activity if you teach something other than the arts. Definitely smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to get all the latest classroom management techniques. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.